Oscillations 3. In this video, you are going to study energy of SHM, potential energy. Potential energy is equal to half m omega square y square. But y means what? Equation of SHM, that is A sin omega t. If you substitute that, you are getting this potential energy. At mean position, y is equal to 0, so potential energy is 0. At extreme position, y is equal to A, so potential energy is maximum. Kinetic energy, this is half mv square, half m. This v square formula in SHM is omega square into a square minus y square. In terms of cost function also we can write, at the mean position y is equal to 0, so kinetic energy is maximum. At extreme position y is equal to a. If you substitute y is equal to a here, then you get kinetic energy 0. Total energy is equal to half m omega square a square. Yes, total energy is sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. See here, at mean position total energy, at extreme position total energy. Yes, this is law of conservation of energy. In isolated system, total energy remains constant. Oscillation of simple pendulum. Yes, B to A to C, C to A to B. This is complete one oscillation. At B, yes, potential energy is maximum, kinetic energy is minimum, total energy is mgh. As Bob start to move B to A, what happens? Potential energy decreases, kinetic energy increases, and kinetic energy is maximum at the mean position. So again total energy is mgh. Similarly, yes, at C also potential energy is maximum, kinetic energy is 0, total energy you are getting mgh. This graph, it indicates the variation of potential energy, kinetic energy and total energy in simple harmonic, in simple pendulum. So this dotted, it indicates potential energy curve, and this line, it indicates kinetic energy, and this one, it indicates total energy. Let us start some problems we are solving here. The kinetic energy of a particle executing SHM will be equal to 1/8 of its potential energy when its displacement from the mean position is displacement from the mean position. So they are asking y is equal to what? What is given here? Here it is given kinetic energy of SHM is equal to 1/8 of its potential energy. Yes, you know kinetic energy expression and you know potential energy expression. In question itself it is given kinetic energy is equal to 1/8 of potential energy. Just you substitute the value of kinetic energy and here potential energy. Yes, half m omega square, and here also half m omega square cancelled. This side only remains a square minus y square, and that side y square by 8. If you simplify this, a square is equal to 9y square by 8 and a is equal to 3y by 2 root 2, and we are getting y is equal to 2 root 2 a by 3. So our answer is C. Next question, the ratio of kinetic energy to the potential energy of a particle executing SHM at a distance equal to half its amplitude, the distance being measured from its equilibrium position, that means mean position. What is given here? Kinetic energy, ratio of kinetic energy to the potential energy, where we want to find this distance equal to half of its amplitude. So ratio of kinetic energy and potential energy, formula I am writing. Yes, here some terms cancelled, but displacement, yes, it is given there half of its amplitude. That's why instead of y I am writing a by 2. So simplifying this, a is common, take it out, cancel. 1 minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 remains here. But 1 minus 1 by 4 means what? 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. Simplifying this, you get your answer 3 by 1. So our answer is B. Next question, the potential energy of a particle executing SHM is 2.5 joule when its displacement is half of amplitude total energy of the particle. Yes, potential energy is given here 2.5 joule. When its displacement is half of amplitude, then what is the total energy they are asking? Yes, we know the formula for total energy, we know the formula for potential energy. Yes, that one only I am taking here, total energy divided by potential energy. When we are substituting, yes, writing the formula, there you are getting half m omega square cancelled, only remains a square by y square. But displacement is given here. What is that? Half of amplitude. So a by 2 the whole square. Simplifying this, you are getting 4. Total energy by potential energy is equal to what? 4. So total energy is equal to 4 into potential energy, that is 10 joule. So our answer is B. Next, a body of mass 1 kg is executing simple harmonic motion. Its displacement is y. It is given in centimeter, but here answer is given in SI unit. It is necessary to keep in mind that. And t seconds is given by. This is equation of SHM. Yes, they are asking maximum kinetic energy. Maximum kinetic energy formula, you know that. And the given equation is in SHM. Yes, compare that standard equation. There you are getting amplitude 6 centimeter. It is necessary to convert into meter. And angular frequency is 100. Mass is already given. It is 1 kg. So taking that kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy formula is what? Half m omega square a square. So substitute the values. Here 10 raised to 4 and 10 raised to minus 4 cancelled. 1 by 2 into 36. Yes, you are getting here 18 joule. So our answer is B. Next, a particle starts oscillating simple harmonically from its equilibrium position. Then the ratio of kinetic energy and potential energy of the particle at time t by 2. Yes, here they are asking kinetic energy and potential energy, but time is given. Yes, remaining is not given. Here I am using kinetic energy formula and potential energy formula in the form of cos function and sine function. And here half m omega square a square, half m omega square a square cancelled. Yes, omega here. Omega value is what? 2 pi by t. T is given. Simplify, substitute. Yes, substitute and simplify. You will get 3 by 1. So our answer is what? B. Yes. Thank you.